Okay, this is my last video because I actually have to leave now. But I want to say I came across a post of Gayton Mackenzie. And before I read the post, because he was talking about abahambe, he was explaining ukuthi why yena he no longer says abahambe, tonton. And I was like, what? What? But before I get into that, I saw one of his lives where he was saying people must go spend time with their families. They must stop speaking about the PA or Gayton. But I'm so sorry, Gayton. I have to react on this one because you posted it now during Christmas time. So if you post this during Christmas time, of course I'm gonna react. Had you not posted it, then I wouldn't react. But now I'm forced to comment. You know, I'm so late. I literally have to be somewhere right now, and I'm just so lazy and tired. But I have time to react to your video. Oh, I have time for days. Let's get right into it. To your post actually. Okay, so he says that abahambe. Illegal immigration is one of the strongest campaigns of the Patriotic Alliance. We even went to the border of Zimbabwe and South Africa to stop it. We would fight it and make lots of noise about it. I literally became the face of Abahamb. Fast forward to me becoming a Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture. I rarely speak publicly about immigration because it falls under the armpit of Leon Schreiber, the Minister of Home Affairs. The only time as a minister that I publicly spoke loud was when they wanted to announce a Nigerian Miss South Africa. I personally felt that I could have handled the matter differently because I put my colleague in a difficult situation. I lead a topic which was his domain by law. I felt afterwards that I was not very collegial. I would be angry if another minister started talking sports or culture. Many are accusing me of selling out. Far from it, I am a cabinet minister, and this is a regular discussion point in cabinet. I have my full say there. I can't be standing at border gates trying to get the attention of government whilst I'm part of the government. I have a more powerful voice now to raise this burning issue. To every keen observers and readers, there are major shifts in government attitude towards illegal immigration. Let me just attach another part. There are major shifts in government attitude towards illegal immigration. This is because of a strong lobby of different government leaders inside the cabinet. The party I belong to still fights very hard against illegal immigration. Leader Victoria is leading the campaign with tangible results. We are the fastest growing political party in South Africa. 4,000 growth is 4,000% growth. What? No party is currently enciphering that. Do you think people will continue to vote so strongly if they feel I sold out? No, they are in the know. There are rules being a minister. I summed up for those rules. I feel strongly about illegal immigration than ever. Lastly, I'm not enjoying anything currently which I could do or didn't do for myself financially. I'm here because I want to serve. Hey! So Gayton Mackenzie says that he no longer talks about Abahambe because it's not his party. Don't. I have so many things to say. I saw a lot of comments under Gayton Mackenzie's post saying, yeah, we understand. For the people that are saying we understand, you understand now that Gayton Mackenzie is not the Minister of Home Affairs. But when some days you wake up and say, EFF is not even government. EFF is not even in government. But you understand now, Gayton, I explain, I'm not the Minister of Home Affairs. It's not my domain. Don't. So I'm not supposed to speak. Betunana. Hey. So I saw people are saying that we understand. I'm like, Hebana. Really? So, Gayton, since he's saying he's able to speak in the cabinet, ask him about the results. Please ask him about what results does he have? Because I don't see any results in him speaking about it in cabinet. And then what? What happens? Oh, Sana. Anyway, guys, I have to go. I'm so late. I think I should even just cancel because Sana, I was supposed to be there at 6. Now it's like 7:45. Should I just cancel? Hey. Yeah, but so you tell me. Nina Mandiniti Onyam, you understand Gayton now. Yet when it's time to campaign, he's gonna say Abahambe still. He's gonna say Abahambe. He says he's the face of Abahambe. Hey, yo.